Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine at your home. In this video, we will tell you about tables. How can we insert tables? Okay. So now first of all, we have to open Microsoft Word. I have already opened Microsoft Word. Now you have to click on insert option. Okay. After insert, we will click on table. Okay. If you want to insert table, then you can choose columns and rows from here. Okay, now I'm just clicking on this. Now you can watch a table is ready. Okay, if you want to delete this table, then click here, it will be selected. Okay, after that you have to press shift and delete from the keyboard. Shift and delete. Now the table has deleted. Now I'm just coming on insert. After that, insert in table. We can also insert table from the option insert table. From here we can insert the table up to these columns and these rows, means 10 into 8. But from here we can insert tables with the feature many of the rows, many of the columns. Okay, I'm just number of columns 5 I have selected, number of rows are 2. Now the next is auto fit behavior. There are 3 options available. From these 3 options we are just choosing the first, fixed column width, auto. Okay, now click on OK. Now you can see the table has inserted. Okay, now you can also delete this. Select from here. After that you have to press shift and delete. Okay, and after that we are just coming on insert, and insert we will click on tables. After on tables we will click on insert table. Now auto fit to contents. We are creating tables with the feature auto fit to contents. Okay, select it. Now click on OK. Now you can see this table is too much short, but it has a special type of features. How many letters you will type, it will adjust it in the table. Now I'm just typing students name, students name. Okay, now you can look. If we are coming on the next cell and we will write something regarding father's name, after that the cell will automatically adjust it. Okay, now we are just deleting on it. First of all you have to select it from here. Okay, click on this, and after that shift and delete. Okay, now come on to insert option, come on to table, and from tables we will select insert table, and from this feature now we will choose auto fit to window. Now click on OK. It will cover up the whole page. Now you can look, the page starts from here to here. Now it will cover up the whole page. Okay, now click on insert, come on table, and in table we are just selecting now draw table. Okay, now we can draw any type of table. Such type of pen will appear. With the help of this pen you can draw any type of table according to your requirement. Okay, and after that you can draw so many cells according to your requirement. Okay, okay, you have to use this pen only. It will create table, and so many cells you can insert according to your choice. Okay. If you want to remove this pen, now you have to click on, in design tab you have to click on draw table. Now you have a normal mouse pointer. Okay, so select it, and after that shift and delete, it will be delete. Now come on insert, come on table. In this there are so many ready-made tables are available. From here you can insert them. First of all you have to click on table, after that we will click on quick tables, and in quick tables we can select any one out of these. Okay, these are ready-made tables. Click on this, it will look like this. Okay, from this a design menu will also appear whenever we will insert any table, and we will click inside the table. After that a design menu will appear. We can give so many designs from here. Okay, look, I am just clicking some of the designs, and the design of the table is changing. Okay, click here. If you want to change any style, then click on this. Okay, now the design of table have changed. If you want to normal the table, then you have to click on here. After that we will click on plain tables. Now the normal table will appear as it was in starting. Okay, now look here, in insert click on table, and in table if you want to do some work in Excel, okay, from here you can choose Excel spreadsheet. Click, now enter anything, whatever you want to enter in the Excel spreadsheet. I am just entering some of the data in this. Okay, wait for 1 second, I am just entering something. After that, if you want to quit from this, you have to click outside this Excel sheet. Okay, now we are in Microsoft Word now. Okay, now select it, shift and delete, it is deleted now. Now I am just pausing the video for some time, and I am just creating a table. After that we will tell you something. Okay, okay, now your table is ready. I am just clicking inside the table. After, whenever you will click inside the table, you will see design. Okay, from the design you can choose anyone according to your choice. I am just choosing this. Click on this. Now the table will look like this. Okay, on the left hand side you can see there are so many options available, table style options. From these options now we are just clicking on header row. If we will untick this, what will happen with the table? Look here. Okay, because these have some specific features. Okay, from these features we can change the shape of the table. Now I am just clicking on the header row. It's untick now. If we will tick it, what will happen with the table? Okay, now you can see header row has changed. Now that is total row. What will happen with total rows? Something has happened. Look here, I am just unticking it. Tick, untick, tick, untick. Okay, now click on banded rows. If you will untick this, such type of table will appear in front of you. Now if you will click on this banded rows, table will look like this. Okay, now you can see the first column is tick now. If you will untick this, what will happen with the table? I am just unticking it. Look, okay, something is happening with the first column. At that time the letters were in the first column were bold, but now it's are normal. If you will click on first column, then they will be bold, otherwise they are normal. Okay, same thing in last column, they have bold now, but if you will untick this, they will be in normal. And banded columns, what will happen, you can see. Okay, I'm just ticking it and unticking it. Okay, now we are just making the table plain. Click here, plain. Okay, now it's a normal table. From this normal table, if we have selected a cell, from the shading option, now choose any color. It will shade that cell. If you want to change the complete row shading, then you have to select, first of all you have to select the complete row. After that you have to click on shading option, and now you have to choose the any color according to your choice. Okay, okay, if we will click outside the table, only options are appearing like review, view, and if we will click inside the table, you can see some options are looking. Now in this design, we have to just click on to borders option. Okay, if we will click on no border will be there, and I just selecting the whole entire table, and after that I am just clicking on the no border option. Now you can look, such type of table will appear. It has no border. And if you will click on right border will appear on that cell. If you will select the entire table, what will happen, if you will select the right border have inserted. So there are so many features available, you can choose. Okay, now I am just clicking on all border. Now the table will look like this. Okay, in this design, and after that we are just clicking out on plain table. These were the options. Now I'm just clicking on this, and after this you can see draw table option here. From this draw table option, we have to click on this draw table option. After that you can change the any style of the line. I'm just selecting this type of. Okay, after that you can also select the size of the line. I'm just selecting this, and now you have to choose the color. We are just choosing the blue color. After that you will insert a table, and the table will look like the format whichever you have selected. Okay, if you want to erase anything from this table, now you have to click on the eraser option. I have clicked on eraser option. After erase, you have to now its eraser have been selected. Click, 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 click. Okay, so practice it on your computer or on your laptops. Okay.